Hey guys, it's Gwen the Panda, and in today's video I will I will be trying to trade for a black long collar because guess what? If you did not know, thank you for interrupting me, Winter Frost. I'm just kidding, I'll still better you. But if you do not know, it's not my dream item. I just really have wanted one as soon as I started working for it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to a different world. I know I'm in Alden. I just gotta transfer back to Alden because I was a bad Alden. I mean, like, it didn't have good peeps. What does it say? Who will join for doing Forgotten Desert rounds, please? Who will join for doing 4 Forgotten Desert rounds? Okay, I'm sorry. It's free chat. When you don't have free chat, it kind of drives me crazy. But I still haven't finished my intro person. I'm just kidding. They weren't interrupting me. I just kind of started reading anyway. Anyway, back to the point. Thank you for watching. That is fair. That is fair, by all means. I'm just not looking away to trim ever belong. I'm so sorry. I feel bad declining. I'm sorry. I can't accept that. That was so hard. Screech. Oh my god, my voice just cracks so hard. Okay. Spikes and masterpieces on trade. Do not cat. I wonder if they're black long on trad. Oh, yes! Okay. I'm gonna just talk to them a little bit and ask them. Oh god. Low battery. Oopsie daisies. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to them for a little bit and ask them if I can offer for their black. Well, I know it's on trade, so I obviously can, but like, I'm just gonna talk to them. I'll talk to you when Oh my god, I can't talk today. I'll be right back when we're actually gonna start trading. Okay, so I'm kind of talking to them and stuff, but I just want to let you guys know that okay, they said yeah, which is good. Whenever they do that 3-face, it's like perfect heaven. But real quick, I just want to say that I've been trying to get this black long for maybe 9 days already, and I know, don't freak out because that's not a lot of time. But the fact is that I wasn't ready until 9 days ago because I didn't have all the good long collars. So the fact, oh god, I just dropped my microphone. I mean, like, not dropped it, but like it fell off its stand. But the fact is that that's a long time. You should normally be able to get an offer right away. So yeah, okay, I guess we're gonna trade for the black long now because I said yes. Here goes this. Okay, I am adding a rare pet. Don't ask. I know. I'm pretty sure I'm going. Oh, live over. Oh my god, my extravaganza pet! You can see its eyeballs. Okay, that was really loud. I'm pretty sure I just woke my neighbors up. Also, it's like, oh god, it's kind of late right now. Fine, it's not that late, but it's like kind of late. Okay, you know what? I gotta find this. Where are my spikes? They're there. Oh god, I missed them. Ugh. Why am I lagging like so badly? I'm sorry if I'm lagging, guys. I will try to fix my quality. I don't know what's up with it. Like, it's normally not this laggy. Okay. Just because they've been so nice to let me offer, I will add in a little anything. And also, don't think this is for you. If I ever trade you, like, for anything, not even if it's not a black long, if I ever trade you for anything, don't worry, I will add something on for you too. I'm going to add a straw hat for them because they let me trade. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed, please. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, please. AJ Gods. Oh my freaking god! Oh my god! Yo, I'm going to cry. Oh my god. Yo, I'm going to cry. Oh my god. Yo, I'm going to cry. Oh my god. I can't breathe. Okay, this is my friend Questibilla. I can't breathe. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay, I'm panicking. Yo, we've been trying to get this black long for maybe 3 months already, and we work so hard for this. Oh my god. I can't breathe. Donut Cat, you were the one! Yes! I will forever believe in donut cats. This is the first black lung I have ever had. No, I can't look at it. No, I don't. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, I'm freaking out. Freaking out. Okay, I'm not gonna start crying. I might though. I know it's just pixels. I can't breathe. I cannot. I can no. I can no longer breathe. I can no longer breathe. Yo. Oh my god, I'm gonna tell her. Oh god. Why can't I type anything? Why must you do this to me, AJ? Okay, I think I'm gonna end this here. I just needed I got it on camera. I got it on not camera. That sounds weird. It sounds like I was like recording it on my phone. I got it on okay, never mind. I know a better way to say this. I was recording. Yes! Dude, donut cat. Oh my god, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Yo, I've been. Also, my friend Secret Howling's like, trade me. Trash on trade. Trash. You call this trash? But like, I cannot breathe. My friends. Oh, okay. Sorry, ignore that jammogram. We were getting store books things. I can't breathe. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. Oof. Ah! Okay. My life is. Okay. Yeah, I'm totally gonna end this video here because I am freaking out. No, I don't want to put it on. Where's my star necklace? Where's my star? Seriously though. Oh, there it is. Yes. I can no longer breathe. GYSM. Dude. So okay. That was like the best moment of my life. I'm going to I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here. And I thank you guys for watching, and this was a super exciting moment for me. Sorry if my voice cracked a lot. Sorry if I was screaming. Sorry if I was loud. Sorry if I broke your eardrums. Advised not to wear headphones, but I should probably put that at the beginning of the video, so I might. But thank you guys for watching so much. This was like crazy for me. And you guys are the best. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And I promise, and I do fun stuff. I do giveaways, and I do a ton of fun stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.